everyone, it's MamaDoesNailz and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all doing well. Okay guys, you can already see, yes, it's madamglam's Easter egg 2024 limited edition. Now this was an absolute surprise. I didn't even know this was coming. So let's just take some time and look at this packaging. Absolutely love this. The color, I love the color story. It's not pink, but I am here for it. I have a nice background to literally match everything. This in itself is a beautiful nail set. It's very giving, and I'm wondering if this is what the color story is also like inside in terms of the polishes. So at the back of the box we have all our useful information. It's vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 free formula, and HEMA-free. So it says vegan Easter egg recipe. Now this is so cute. So these are the ingredients. 1 cup of egg mania collected from the Easter Bunny's home. 3 drops of magic whispers gifted by the garden fairies. 1 dash of egg stravaganza from madamglam's laboratories, and 1 sprinkle of bunny freckles borrowed from a friendly bunny. Mix it together and enjoy a glamorous gel manicure this Easter. Like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. So we're going to carefully open this, and I'm using my tool, this X-Acto knife, because this box is just ever so cute, honestly. So I'm carefully opening that because I don't want to ruin the box. And we're going to get into this Easter egg. Yes. It's making me think of like a hat box, you know, or like, you know, when ladies go and shop in France and all that good stuff. So let's do this because you can literally only do this once. So satisfying. But I think I'll tie it again just to do it all over again. Are we ready? Okay. Look at the babies. Look what hatched. Yes, this is what hatched out of the egg. I love this. You know, it's so simple, so chic, so cool. It's definitely a keeper. So we have 4 polishes in here, 4 bottles. I'm just going to get them all out. I like the fact that, you know, it's nice and secure. The packaging is everything. So I'm just going to put this beautiful lid back on and we can just have that there. So first of all, we have this one, which is extravaganza. Eggs. All right. And let me just have a look at what this looks like. Ooh. So this is the introduction to spring. Welcome, pastels. Yes, welcome. Now, I just want to smell it. Okay, I can't smell anything, and that's a good thing, but I don't know. I thought maybe it was going to smell like chocolate eggs. I don't know. So this is Magic Whispers, which, looking at the bottle, is a beautiful blue. So yes, the color story does match the box. And I will be swatching. And we have Egg Mania. And this is beautiful. Hopefully like a beautiful nude. Ooh, but it's more of a peach. Pastel peach. I love it. They're also milky and creamy. And last but not least, Bunny Freckles is a soak off no wipe top coat. Come on. This is so adorable. All right, let's see what this top coat looks like. Oh my gosh, this is like Easter in a bottle. This is Easter in a bottle. Okay, so I can't wait. Now I'm going to swatch them. And obviously I'll be using that top coat. So let's go in with Extravaganza. Because we need to just, you know, elongate the eggs. Okay. Now this is definitely giving all of the beautiful pastel vibes. I love it. It's not purple. It's almost like a, if it's even possible, to have a lighter shade of a lilac. Now this is, for me, you know, it's either a pink and a cousin of purple, or a purple and a cousin of pink. Look how stunning that looks. Okay, now Egg Mania, as I was saying, is definitely a beautiful shade. I would say definitely like a creamy. So if I said like a creamy peach, like peaches and cream. The last color, which is Magic Whispers. Now Magic Whispers is your perfect blue, giving all that pastel blue vibes, and it's a rich creamy polish. Now I did not even use any base coat. I literally have done one coat so far, and it already looks, you know, opaque enough, and you could literally get away with one coat. MadameGlam definitely do one coat coverage polishes. This blue is so beautiful. Now I know these colors are going to look amazing with chrome. So the ingredients now tells me I need some bunny freckles all over this. So this bunny freckles is a beautiful no wipe top coat, which I'm going to put on the nail. Now I did wipe off the tacky layer of the polish. Oh my gosh, this is really Easter in a bottle. It's beautiful. You have different color flecks in here, like foils and flakes, and I just love the color. Oh, now even though this is a no wipe top coat, this would be stunning to be top coated, and then in, you know, you could do it in matte afterwards. It's absolutely just endless. I love it. Thank you all so much for watching. Look how beautiful this top coat looks on every color. It's absolutely versatile on every color. It could have just been clear, and you know, I cannot wait to do something. I mean, the oranges, and like, well done, MadameGlam, because this has to be the tiniest bits of flakes I've seen, and they're not like the flake. They're almost like mylar, or even like angel flakes. And I don't know if it's because of the cold, but I found the top coat to be quite thick, which is good because, and I think because of the pieces, it works well. So it may just be because it's cold and it's traveled from so far, but it's not that it's a problem. I actually like it that way because I could get all the pieces to lay down. Now, these polishes, I just wanted to show you in matte. Just press mute, literally. How muted is that? Like, it's just like magic. So the color story, the box, you know, the top coat, everything aligns. I absolutely love this, and I cannot wait. So please, guys, keep your bells on because I'll be back. I have lots of plans for this Easter egg 2024 limited edition box, definitely. I'm MamaDoesNailz. Please feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen, guys, because you can save yourself 35% when you order and shop at madamglam.com. I'm MamaDoesNailz, and I'm out. Love you. Bye.